What's the difference between a Medeco Maxum Deadbolt and one that you'd find at a typical big box store? Everything. Let's see how the Medeco lock holds up as we try to knock the lock off the door with a hammer. The Medeco Deadbolt did its job and stood up to this attack. Now let's see how the standard off-the-shelf deadbolt holds up. That's the difference between a lock designed to close your door and one designed to keep it shut. To upgrade your security, find a dealer near you at medeco.com/deadbolt.